Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the world of cryptocurrency. You might have heard terms like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or crypto, but what exactly is cryptocurrency? Let's dive in and find out. Cryptocurrency, sometimes called cryptocurrency or simply crypto, is a form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transaction. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority. Instead, they use a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. But what does that mean? Let's break it down. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer system that allows anyone, anywhere, to send and receive payments. Instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world, cryptocurrency payments exist purely as digital entries in an online database, describing specific transactions. Narrator: when you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in a public ledger known as the blockchain. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets, making it easy to manage and secure your funds. How does cryptocurrency work? The term cryptocurrency comes from the use of cryptography to secure transactions. This means advanced coding is involved in storing and transmitting cryptocurrency data between wallets and to public ledgers. The goal of encryption is to provide security and safety. This encryption ensures that transactions are secure, making it difficult for anyone to alter the information or tamper with the data. In summary, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates on a decentralized system, allowing for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a central authority. With Bitcoin leading the way, cryptocurrencies are transforming the financial landscape and offering new opportunities for secure, fast, and global transactions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on cryptocurrencies and emerging technologies. See you next time.